Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
In your country, 80%, 90%, they are infected with malaria, and they are in syphilis. So what is the difference? Why you make, as a medical man, why should you make difference that this disease is better than that disease? Disease is disease. Actually, that is fact. You say that we are suffering from malaria, it is better than to suffer from syphilis. No. Disease is disease. Similarly, either Brahma or the ant, the disease is how to become master. This is the disease. So to cure this disease, now comes to cure this disease, to say plainly, rascal, you are not master, you are servant, surrender. This is the cure of this. If one agrees that no more, aranare bhava, no more trying for becoming master, that is the cure of disease. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, as Prahlad Maharaj says, Nija Bhritta Parsam, engage me as the servant of your servant. The same thing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Gopi Bhattu Padakamalayо Udaso Dasanudas. So Krishna consciousness movement means we have to give up this nonsense idea of becoming master. This is Krishna consciousness. We have to learn how to become servant, not only servant, servant of the servant, servant of. That is the. Therefore Prahlad Maharaj says, so, I have understood all this nonsense of becoming master. My father also tried to become master. So this knowledge, now I have got. There is no use of becoming master. Better, if you kindly want to give me some benediction, kindly make me the servant of your servant. This is benediction. So one who has learned to become the servant of Krishna's servant, he is perfect. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Tinadupi sunitena taroropi sahisnuna. A servant has to tolerate. Tolerance. Servant, sometimes master orders so many things, he becomes disturbed, but still he has to execute and tolerate. That is perfection. Here in India, still, when a person goes to marry, so this is a custom. His mother asks the bridegroom, my dear son, where you are going? He replies, Mother, I am going to bring one maid servant for you. This is the sister. Mother, I am going to bring one maid servant for you. That means my wife, your daughter-in-law, will serve you as your maid servant. This is Vedic civilization. When Krishna, with his 16,000 wives, went to Hastinapur, so Draupadi, it is natural, between woman and woman, they talk about their husband. That is natural. So Draupadi was inquiring from each and every wife of Krishna, Not all of them, it is not possible, 16,000. At least the principal queens, beginning from, what is it? Rukmini, yes. So, every one of them were describing their marriage ceremony, that my Rukmini explained that my father wanted to hand over me to Krishna, but my elder brother, he did not agree. He wanted to get me married with Shishupal. So I did not like this idea. I wrote Krishna a private letter that I have dedicated my life to you, but this is the situation. Please come and kidnap me. So in this way, Krishna kidnapped me and made me his maidservant. The queen's daughter, king's daughter, every one of them were king's daughters. They are not ordinary person's daughters. But they wanted to become maidservant of Krishna. This is the ideal. To become servant and to become maidservant. This is the ideal of human civilization. Every woman should try to become maidservant of her husband. And every man try to become the 100 times servant of Krishna. This is Indian civilization. Not that husband and wife, we are equal rights. That in Europe, America, the movement is going on, equal rights. That is not Vedic civilization. Vedic civilization is the husband should be a sincere servant of Krishna and the wife should be a sincere maidservant of the husband.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare